Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix speaker issue in iPhone 14 Pro Max. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So to fix this issue, first of all, if your phone is in silent mode, then turn off silent mode. Now if you are in silent mode, then turn it off with this button. Turn off silent mode, and after that, if it doesn't fix your problem, then open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on accessibility. Now in accessibility, scroll down to the hearing section and click on mono audio. Now here click on audio or visual, and from here, if you have turned off mono audio, then turn it on. After turning on mono audio, go back to settings. Now in settings, click on sounds and haptics. Now here scroll down to the end and click on headphone safety, and from here turn off reduce loud sounds. If you have turned on this button, then turn it off, and after turning off this reduce loud sounds button, your problem will be fixed. But if it doesn't fix your problem, then try restarting your mobile. So to restart, press the power button and volume down button at the same time. Now swipe this icon to right side to power off your iPhone, and after that restart your iPhone. So after restarting, your problem will be fixed. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.